At Jewelry by Johan, our handmade meteorite jewelry, which includes rings, cufflinks, and other items, is crafted with authentic Gibeon meteorite. This variety of meteorite is made of iron, which means it could possibly rust and has a tendency to tarnish when exposed to water, humidity, or sweat. But have no fear, our lifetime meteorite guarantee gives you the option to send your item back to us for cleaning and re-etching at no cost other than the shipping. Or you can remove rust and protect your meteorite at home by ordering our Meteorite Care Kit, which contains two amazing products. First, we have our metal de-corroder. This non-toxic liquid helps remove rust that appears on meteorite jewelry. If your jewelry has other materials, protect them by applying Super 33 electrical tape. To use the de-corroder, gently apply it to the meteorite with a soft cloth or cotton swab with a dabbing, scrubbing motion. You may see small bubbles, and this is normal. Allow the liquid to dry for 5 minutes, then wipe the excess. If there is still rust on your meteorite, then reapply the de-corroder as necessary. When the rust has been completely removed, gently clean the meteorite with glass cleaner to remove any residue and pat the surface dry. Now that we've cleaned off the rust, we'll protect it from moisture with the wax polish. Apply a small amount of the wax with your soft cloth or your finger and let it stand for a few minutes. After a few minutes have passed, wipe away any excess wax if it feels sticky. Be sure to wash your hands afterwards. Your meteorite jewelry is now rust-free and protected from moisture. Call us or visit jewelrybyjohan.com to order your Meteorite Care Kit today.